Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how we mount the new ground line series and also the tail light series and the warning light series. This is just a sample, but hope I can show you what we mean with the click-on functions. Took the liberty of drilling holes to a plate here, so we will mount them on this plate. So if we start with the ground line series, it's the new in the Freedom series. This is the ground line version, and we have the deer logo here. We have a click-on bracket, and we also get a hanging bracket to it. You can choose to hang the product, or you can choose to surface mount it. If you want to hang it, you have this this one goes into the holes here, and you basically just take the screws, screw it together, and then you have a hanging function, and then you take the product, just click it in here. So if you somehow need to change this one, you can click it out, take it away, put in a new one. We won't be showing you how we mount it with the hanging bracket today. I don't like when we use the machine, actually. I prefer when we use the screwdriver. We have more control then. Try and fix it here without damaging the table. This one is made of out of plastic. I think it's a PMMA, so this won't be damaged at all. Can't take the screws too hard; they will go out by themselves probably. And we have a bigger hole for the cables. I took away the sharp edges so we don't damage the cables. Then we just click it in like this, and you have a really nice surface mount, and pretty easy to change it if that's necessary. We start with the warning light. As I said, this is a sample. You would get a much nicer box, similar to this one. These ones come in with 6 LEDs, 4 LEDs and 3 LEDs, and you also have dark version and clear lens version. But this is a click-on ring here, click on the frame. You have some different functions for this. It's to protect the screws and all the metal around. You could paint it in the color of the truck, or if this one breaks, you can buy a new one. Much easier than to change the whole light. You should always remove all sharp edges here so you don't damage the cables. That's the most important thing. And then we forgot the most important part. We have the EVA pad. We need to have it on. It protects from vibration, and it also separates the aluminium you have here. So if you use stainless steel where you mount, aluminium and stainless steel doesn't work too good together. So corrosion happens quite often if you use stainless steel together with aluminium. The EVA pad protects much more than if you just screw it straight on. Also, the vibration is better. So you will get the screws with the nut as well, but today we're using the screws for, I think it's for plastic and aluminium. And I also use the machine, so it's quicker. So you don't have to see me with a screwdriver. And then we can just click on the black frame. Yeah, fits pretty snugly, so it's protected. And we will also take the last one, so I can show you what you get when you buy the taillight series. When you buy the taillight series, you also get a chrome frame, so you can remove the black frame and use the chrome one instead, if you want to. Or you use the black one, you get both. Let's not forget the EVA pad this time. And again, we use the screw without the nut, so it's quicker. So, and then we just click on the chrome frame. So you get a totally different look if you use the chrome, which we like. I see everything is a little bit crooked here. You should probably measure before you drill the holes. And the one thing we need to know, but to take these away, if you don't have the right technique, it's a little bit hard. But we open up the frame here on the front, gently just click it out here. There we have the other one. So then you can easily change it. We have these as a spare part. We have the chromed one as a spare part if you want to buy it for the warning lights. You can also buy this one as a spare part. It's for the 6 LEDs and for the tail light series. It's basically just so you can mount them on bars. like 60 millimeters bars, so you can have a good mounting on them there. So I hope this gives you some insight to the click-on frame and to the click-in bracket. Okay, thank you guys.